Transferring money to your Tangerine account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer money to your Tangerine account. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, log into your bank's online website and then add your Tangerine account as your recipient. Now, what you have to do is you just have to go to your, any of the bank from where you want to, transfer the funds from. Now, in that bank, you just have to initiate a transfer, and after initiating a transfer, you just have to enter your recipient's detail as your Tangerine's account. Now, in the recipient's detail, it usually contains your account number and routing number. There could be different, information as well, which you need to push. Now, after doing that, you just have to specify the amount of the transfer and then you just have to review and confirm the transfer. That's how you will be able to transfer the funds to your Tangerine account from any other account. However, the transfer may take, 1 day or 2 to 3 days. If it is an international, it can take up to 5 to 6 days. Totally depends upon your bank transfer. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.